Hi, everybody. It's Lynn. I'm back from my trip and I apologize about the last video. I'm not sure what happened there, but I will redo that video for you and get that posted within the next day or so. I'm just trying to kind of catch up a little bit. And while I was gone, I received the Curated Bead Box. I'm sure y'all have probably already seen it from somebody else, but I thought I'd go ahead and open it with you anyway. So this one is entitled Bayou Blues, and I love blues. Y'all know that. So I am excited to get into it. So let's see what we've got. Okay. Oh my. Well, these are beautiful, guys. I can't wait to see what all's in here. So let me just pull everything out and we'll see what we have. Let me get our box so I can see. Okay, it says we have 12 millimeter golden spot marble style. And I'm not sure. It says a 6-inch string. So I'm thinking it might be this. I don't see anything else that it looks like it could be. And then we have 10 millimeter brown spot marble. So I'm assuming that that's this. Both have some blue in them. Very pretty. They're calling this golden, I think. And this one brown. Okay, then we have turquoise marble style glass beads in 8 millimeter. And that appears to be this. And that's beautiful. Oh, that's really, really pretty with those. I like that a lot. And then we have 8 millimeter brown crystal crackle. Okay, I think that's going to be that. Okay, then 8 millimeter turquoise gemstone beads. And that will be this. Beautiful. Love them. Okay, 8 millimeter lapis. I think that's going to be this. Beautiful. 8 millimeter gray brown gemstone. I think that's probably this one. No, that's not 8 millimeter. That's got to be 8 millimeter. Okay. And then 6 millimeter. That's those. And then 6 millimeter spray glass. I think that's going to be those. All right. And then we have 6 pieces of Galaxy Luster. Let's see. Well, I'm not sure. I think that's this because it says large hole. Yeah, I'm thinking that's it. Those are pretty. Very pretty as an accent bead. And then we have these guys. Very pretty. It says Blue Galaxy. Okay. Nice. Actually, I like everything in here so far. Okay, and then we have some spacer beads. It says 15 beads. Oh, those are pretty. Different shape. I like the square. Nice. And then we have 2 tubes. I love these, y'all. These are gorgeous. Look at that. Not sure what we're going to do with them yet, but we'll find something fun. I love those. Those are really pretty. I wish I had some leather. I could see those on leather. And then we have our starter kit, our little findings kit that we always get. We have some, looks like 6 millimeter jump rings, some fishhook ear wires, some head pins. We have 4 lobster claws. We have some stretch cord, some beading wire, some crimp beads, and some memory wire. So that's our curated bead box for, I guess this would be August. I have to tell you guys, I really missed you when I was gone. I missed filming and I missed just talking to you, even though you can't talk to me, but you can always send me messages if you have anything. and we will figure out some things to do with this here soon. I'm going to do another unboxing for you, and it's a box that I've never gotten before, and we'll do that on our next video. So you guys have a great day, and I'll be back soon with something else for you. All right, take care of yourselves. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.